What's good, y'all? It's Jaimon. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. For those who don't know me, I am a former undergrad student at Illinois State University. Did 4 years there for my criminal justice, and now I'm at Aurora, Master of Social Work for my grad school to get my social work degree. And I'm just gonna break down how to make friends in college, because it's something that a lot of us struggle with at times. And I came into college 17 years old, not knowing nobody. I was from Dallas, Texas, going all the way up to Illinois, and I didn't know nobody. Like, I was new, and I was just getting into everything, and I had to learn how to make friends. And so the first thing that I did that really helped me a lot is I was on campus before school started, meeting individuals. I was meeting older individuals. I also worked on campus too, but I was in there meeting individuals off the bat. I came out of college knowing hundreds of people, literally having friends list huge, being in a fraternity of 100 members, being the president of a fraternity, being someone who goes to the bar and like, hey, I know you, I know your videos. They knew me from my YouTube videos. So it's like just being a known public figure on campus and talking about how I got there. But the main purpose of this video is talking about not just the surface level dap-you-up once type of stuff, but building real solid friendships that last. So if you've ever felt like you're not clicking with people, you're in the right place. You're not alone. So let's go ahead and check it out. It's harder than it looks. Let's be real. College looks like one big social event on Instagram, but in real life, a lot of people feel awkward, lonely, or like they just can't find their people. It's hard because everybody's trying to find themselves, trying to find who they are, what they like. People come from different places, vibes, and experiences. So we're all clashed together. And then the main thing is we overthink everything. What if they think I'm weird? If that sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not broken. You're just human. And we gotta be able to build that confidence and find out ways to prevail through it all. How to actually start making friends, you need to show up on purpose. Join one club or organization that you care about. You don't need 10, just one. That's where you'll naturally meet people who share your interests. I went and decided to join 10 clubs, and I didn't go to every club, but at the end of the day, I had similar connections. I went to some events, so I ended up joining Fiji. It was a fraternity, a social fraternity. It was great. I met my best friends there, and it was a great experience, and I wouldn't give it up for the world. But also, I worked a job at McDonald's. At McDonald's, I was able to meet guys Trey to this day, that's my boy. I got him on a podcast. I'm working at Portillo's, met my boy Vio. Man, you meet real homies at these fast food spots that you work at on campus, man, for real. I also joined many clubs. I joined the photography club and became I was like treasurer or something like that. I didn't even care for it. I just joined the club and they had a position opening, and it looks great on my resume that I did photography club and all this, and you built friends. I built friendships. I had people that I really liked. I quit going, but at the end of the day, it was a good experience. And you don't need to join 10. You just need to join one and commit to one. But joining a bunch just to see all the different things going on out there, I for sure encourage. College friendships come all in one. You'll meet the study buddies, the ones that'll grind with you during midterms. You'll meet the party homies, the ones that you don't really have deep talks with, but you have fun with, and then the lifelong friends. So y'all stay solid even past college, man. So appreciate each friend for what they are. Not every friendship has to be deep, but the real ones will come if you stay consistent with yourself and who you are and your value. If you're introverted, it doesn't mean that you're not social. It means you recharge differently, right? You can still make friends, but it might look like smaller groups, one-on-one convos, kickbacks, and being selective with your time, right? So that's valid. And if you struggle with anxiety, just remember, you're not the only one that's nervous. The person you're probably talking to is probably nervous too. Most people are worried about how they look too. So be the one who breaks the ice, even if it's awkward. College isn't about being popular. It's about finding your people. And I promise you that they are out there. But you got to make the first move sometimes. Let me know in the comments what's the hardest part about making friends at college for you. Or drop a W if you met a real one this year. Don't forget to like, comment, and sub. And follow for more real talk on college life, self-growth, and navigating all this. Peace! Jamie, you! I gotta stop one day.